What if climate change was not something you had to make sense of on a graph or read about in the headlines? What if you could hear it? Global temperatures rising over land, ocean temperatures warming, sea levels rising. Climate data is everywhere. It fills reports, charts, computer models, but numbers alone do not always register on a human level.
People believe what they feel over what they think.
Sound works differently. It turns trends into tension. It makes patterns more personal.
What I'm trying to do here is attach feelings to this really alarming situation.
Today we're going off the radar to listen to climate change, not through words or graphs, but through music and sound created directly from the data.